guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing this Saturday morning? I'm tired. I shouldn't even be awake right now, but one, I forgot to record, and two, I had to do something for work. But today we are going to do some of our bill stuffing for the last paycheck of October. So here we go. We are going between our bills, our sinking funds, savings challenges, and everything. We have $14.70 as our total. So we'll split these all up. I'll count them. So we'll go the other way. 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700. 51, 52, 5300. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 300. We got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Let me make sure none of these stuck together because this should be 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. What do I not have? Oh, yep, that is why. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay. The dang one was sticking. And our fives, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we have everything we're supposed to. So this is my paycheck breakdown. So we are going to start stuffing our bills. This is I gotta figure out how to set up with that because I'm not used to that. I'm used to my iPad. So we're gonna have to figure that one out. Alright, so our food is going to get, scoot this out of the way, $125. So we got $125. So how has everybody's week been? Hopefully everybody's had a good week. Who's excited for Halloween? If you do dress up for Halloween, comment down below what you dress up as. I'd like to know what everybody dresses up as, or what your favorite costume is, or favorite Halloween / scary movie. Gas is gonna get 40. So we got 2, 4. Our subscriptions. I actually sat down and went through these, so this went up a little bit for now. So we are putting in 42. So 20, 41, and 2. And I honestly did not realize how much I was spending on subscriptions, since it just is automatically taken out. I didn't realize how many things there was one I did a free trial for and then forgot about, so I was getting charged I think it was for Audible, and it was like $14 a month or something like that. Our truck insurance is gonna get 68. So we have 50, 60, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Our phone bill, which I had that wrong last time. I have not just November's payment, I have one more in December. I thought I only had one left, but I have two to pay off my phone. And then that'll go down by about $40, I believe, which is awesome because now that's an extra $40 that can go towards paying down some more debt. But phone is going to get $73. So we have 50, if I stop throwing it, 70, 1, 2, 3. So I meant to record yesterday, which would have been Friday evening. And then kind of unexpectedly babysat, I guess you could say, or helped babysit. So recording doesn't go too well when you've got two kids under the age of 5 running around, screaming and playing and being kids. So we're doing it early this morning. Our Xfinity is going to get 140. So we got 1, 20, 40. Our Discover loan will get 200. So 1, 2. Our Discover credit card is getting 100. Our rent was going to get 160, but I just left that in the bank because it came out today, so, and deposited what I had in here. So that's already taken care of. Our Affirm is going to get 79. So 50, 70, 75, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Need to stop getting sucked into the, hey, let's use Affirm thing. But I've done better. We're paying them. Mostly that's just for our hotel that we paid for back in August. Okay. I feel like I'm missing something that I needed to make a thing for. No, we'll just put that in the debt one. That is all of our bills. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I'd like to say thank you to all of our new subscribers. I believe last time I checked, we are, I think, 5 away from hitting our 200 mark, which is beyond amazing. I never expected any of it, so I appreciate each and every one of you for all of the love and support. If you are new and you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that button if you're enjoying my content. We'd love to have you here. Hit that like button, comment down below, share it with your friends, your family, anybody else that may be able to use some financial help, I guess you could say, or just like to watch videos like this, because I like to watch videos like this too, not just do them. I will see you guys next time. Bye.